How to activate Facebook Marketplace. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can activate your Facebook Marketplace, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, you never need to activate Facebook Marketplace because Marketplace is already activated by default for all sort of profiles and all sort of Facebook accounts. If you look at the very top, you'll find one of the icon which looks like a home icon. This is basically the Marketplace icon which you can use to generally access Marketplace. Now, let's say that you're not being able to see this little toggle here. In that case, you can do is you can tap the three lines option from the top right hand side. Then here you can see shortcuts. Now you can just tap on the see more button next to all shortcuts. If you don't find Marketplace there, it will most likely be here. The thing is, the ones that show on top are the ones that you frequently use. So if you start using Marketplace frequently, from next time onwards, the Marketplace icon will show up at the top, and then you can see the Marketplace has been activated. You can choose to browse through products or do whatever else you prefer. This way you can activate Facebook Marketplace. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.